In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new floating window in Blender by duplicating an existing area into a new window. This can be especially helpful if you're working with multiple monitors and need more space to manage different parts of your project. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about why you might want to use this feature. If you're someone who likes flexibility in your workspace, or perhaps you have a dual monitor setup, this method allows you to spread out your Blender interface across multiple screens. It's perfect for keeping certain areas, like your timeline or property settings, in view while you focus on modeling or animation. So understanding this feature can really help optimize your workflow and make your productivity soar. Now, to begin the process, you'll want to go to the top of your Blender interface and click on the View menu. This is where we start setting up our additional window. Within the View menu, navigate to Area. Area is where you'll find the option that we need to duplicate one of the existing areas into a new window. Keep in mind, this feature might not be available in some editors, depending on the layout you're using. However, it should be accessible for most general views in Blender. Once you've located the Area menu, you'll see an option called Duplicate Area into New Window. Go ahead and select that. Instantly, a new window will appear containing the area you had selected. This new window is essentially an extension of your main Blender interface. It's fully functional, meaning you can use it in exactly the same way as any other part of Blender. Whether you're adjusting materials, sculpting, or editing keyframes, everything works in harmony with the rest of your project. It's also important to note that because the new window is part of the same instance of Blender, all your work is simultaneously updated in real time across all windows. So any changes you make in your newly created window will reflect immediately in the main window and vice versa. This not only saves time, but also ensures that there is consistency in your editing process, regardless of which window you're working from. A quick tip, you might find it helpful to arrange your windows depending on your project needs. For instance, if you're animating, having a full window dedicated to the timeline can be incredibly useful. Meanwhile, another window could focus on the 3D viewport or shader editor. This setup enhances focus and efficiency by allowing you to switch between tasks without the usual clutter. By following these steps, you'll be able to craft a more expansive and tailored workspace in Blender, taking full advantage of your multiple monitors. It's a game changer for those looking to maximize their screen real estate and improve their overall workflow. I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do. Thank you for watching and happy blending.